Hey friends, it's Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I thought I would do a haul video, but it's a personal haul. So this is stuff that I've bought recently that I picked up for myself. It includes some clothing items, it's some home items, as well as a beauty product. And I just love watching these types of videos, so I thought I would share mine with you. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with something that I ordered online last week, and I actually showed this briefly in my Instagram story. I'm super excited about them. They're a pair of Free People denim shorts. So they are a little bit longer of a length and they have really cool patchwork on them. They're super distressed and just slouchy fitting. I actually went up a size from my regular size because I wanted them to be like really baggy, and I'm gonna wear them with just like a cool t-shirt and sandals, and I just think it'll be a really easy look for the summertime. And then I ordered a couple things off the website ASOS. So I don't know if you guys have heard of ASOS before, but I like it because it's trendy fashion, but it is more affordable, and the quality sometimes is good, sometimes it's not. So these two pieces, let's see, one I've opened and one I haven't. So this is the first item, and it's just a really nice long sleeve crochet sweater. It's got these bell sleeves, which I really like, these wide flare sleeves. It's an open knit, so I'll have to like layer something underneath, but I'm really into the bright stripes lately, so I think this is a really great find. I'll go ahead and link everything I can down below if you guys want to check it out. Not everything I show might be available because I ordered some stuff on Poshmark, but yeah, I'll link what I can. So I really like this sweater. And then this next top I just got in. I didn't look at this one yet, but I'm gonna open it up. And it's another bright stripe thing. You can tell I'm like really into the stripes lately. Now, this one I really like how it was off the shoulder, but it's really short. Like, that's super cropped. I don't think it looked that cropped on the model, and I don't really like super short things. Like, it could look cute with some dark denim high-waisted jeans, but I'm gonna have to try this one on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that one. I like the sweater a lot more. Okay, and then next thing I ordered, I think this is what I ordered from Poshmark. So it's in a UPS box, but she had wrapped it with some brown paper, so that's how it was able to come through the mail. But I haven't opened these at all yet. I know what they are, I just haven't even opened it, so it's kind of like a first look together. And she wrapped them really well. I love to shop on Poshmark, obviously, as well as selling on there, because you can find really unique items. And these shoes that I'm about to show you, I saw them online, I think last year, and they sold out, so they're not even available anymore, but I just happened to look on Poshmark and there was a pair available in my size for a pretty reasonable price. So I grabbed these, and they're honestly like in amazing condition. So they are these glittery high top Vans. I love glitter and I love Vans. I actually don't have a pair of high tops. I have a bunch of the like slip-on style, but I just couldn't resist the glitter. I think these are gonna be so fun. Again, with just like cutoffs and a graphic tee or leggings and a like really nice oversized top. And these honestly are in amazing condition. So you can see they're pretty new. So I definitely think this was a great buying experience on Poshmark for me. Okay, next up, actually I believe it's another pair of shoes. So I ordered this next box from, I think it was Revolve. I like that website, although the stuff on there can be a little more expensive, but I really wanted these. I had seen them before and I just kind of pulled the trigger one day. And it's actually another pair of Vans. I haven't bought new ones in a while, but I picked these up because I just think they're so cool. They're the slip-on checkerboard, but they have this beautiful floral embroidery on them. So they're leather, and they're also, it says ultra cush. So I guess they're more of like a comfort style Vans, but I wear this type of stuff like every day. I'm definitely more of like a sneakers kind of girl. I don't really wear like a lot of heels or anything, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of these, and I just think they're so nice. So yay, I'm excited about that purchase. And then next up, Okay, so I did purchase something at Sephora, and it's something that I had gotten a sample size of first because I wanted to see if I liked it, and I used up the sample size pretty quickly, so I knew I wanted to get the full size, and I actually ended up getting the mega size. So it is the Glam Glow. It's the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and it's a mask, or you can use it as a treatment, but I definitely have problem skin. Like, my skin breaks out quite a bit, so it's for problem skin imperfections, it's pore refining, mattifying, and clarifying. So when I use this stuff, like, I use it as a full mask, and then you just rinse it off with water. Afterwards, your skin feels so good, and I swear your pores look smaller. Definitely helps to clear up any kind of breakouts that you have. So the mega size is pretty big. Like, you don't have to use a lot of it. And then it comes with this really nice brush, so you can apply the mask with a brush, which is good because then you don't end up using too much product. So you just smooth it on all over your face, and I use it like 3 times a week. But you could obviously use it less, but since I have problem skin, I do tend to use it quite a bit, so that's why I went with the bigger size, and I am loving that. Okay. The next things, I have a few more things, and this is the stuff I actually bought today. So I went to a little shopping area. Didn't have a ton of stores, but I picked up a few things. The first store is Dillards. So Dillards, if you don't have it or you're not familiar with, it's basically just like a department store like Macy's, and they sell a lot of Free People, which is one of my favorite brands. And I was just looking through the clearance rack, seeing what I could find for a good deal, and I saw this thermal that I had wanted previously. So it's just an ivory colored thermal, so it's long sleeves, but what I really like, it has these like rainbow embroidery around the collar, and it's also around the cuffs, and it's just super cozy. I mean, I know it's a thermal, so it's a little bit more of like a fall item, but I think I could wear this with some denim shorts and like a cute bralette, open it up, and maybe tie it up at the bottom. So I'm excited to style this and wear it until it gets a little bit too hot for that. And it was on sale. It was originally $68, and it was on sale for $23.80. So I thought that was a steal. Okay, the next store I went in is good old Target. I actually don't shop at Target that much. Like, I don't know, I'm more of an online shopper. I like to order stuff online, so I really only go into Target when I need certain things. But today I went in because I wanted to just check out what they had that was new. And I'm really liking their home stuff right now. So they have a new collection. I think it's Opal House. And I picked up this really nice bath mat. So I really like the geometric design. It's super soft, and then it has these tassels on it. And I'm really into this like pink color right now, as well as this orangey red color. So I just think that's gonna look really nice, and I'm gonna put it in my guest bathroom. And then I did pick up a new shower curtain for that bathroom as well to go with it. And it is this, let's see, Project 62 shower curtain. So it's like a white with little black polka dots, but they're more like splotchy polka dots. So it's not like they're super perfect, and I just think that that is gonna be a really nice look together. Once I finish that bathroom, maybe I will do a bathroom tour. Thumbs up this video and comment down below if you want to see a bathroom tour or more like home decor kind of stuff, and I can definitely do that. And then the last thing that I have in my haul that I picked up at Target is a t-shirt, and I love graphic tees. Like, I'm wearing one right now. I wear graphic tees all the time. I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of girl. I thought this one was so cute. So it's a rainbow, and it says, "I got you, babe." It's from their Beatles line, I think they had, so it's by Junk Food. I just really love the colors, and I just think that's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. And it looked like it ran kind of small. I went a size up from my normal size, and it was only $4.50. Like, that's cheaper than the thrift store practically. So yeah, I'm super excited to wear this. I might actually wear it tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for my quick little haul and unboxing of what I've picked up for myself recently. If you like these kinds of videos and want to see more, please let me know down in the comments below. And of course, I'm going to be doing tons of new videos this week with reselling related themes. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!